So now we're going to work on the tornado kick. I can either pivot or step. If I step over, I'm turning my hips. Now here's what a lot of people get wrong. I want to turn my hips full facing, and I want to jump straight up. The problem I see with this technique is people throwing it too soon. So I'm here, jump. I'm going to step over, turning, full facing. I have to let my hip get here where I jump from here. And I'm not doing a big jump, I'm doing a small hop. As I'm here, I'm pivoting or I'm stepping around to full facing, jumping, just a little hop, switching feet, round kick. This is a technique that's great to the body. Your opponent's not expecting it. From here, spawning by target, okay? If I impact, a lot of times I just fall right back into my southpaw stance, all right? So this is a flashier technique, and you may not want to throw this in a street scenario, but it's a fantastic technique to have in your arsenal.